also known as a lightning bats. And these insects are often live in humid region of Asia and Americas, where they mostly feast on plant pollen and nectar. They use their lights to communicate with the other fireflies. The male's light will blink, stop, then blink. And the female's light will blink, blink, stop, then blink, blink. The firefly's lifespan is only for 2 months. They don't bring diseases to humans. Also, fireflies are very sensitive to light. While taking picture with the fireflies, please do not use flashes. Enjoy, everyone!
Hadi bu.
Куда дойдем? Туда?
Thank you, ma'am. Hi guys, we're going to the firefly watching at the river here at Lobot River Resort. Nani?
Let's go firefly watching.
Так мы тоже. Ну точно, тогда вообще переживай.
Punta namin karoon ng fireflies. Wild fireflies in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of the river. In Lobok. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Ready na siya kasi. Oh, big.
Nasa ilang bahay no?
Ну да, тут немножко, да, будет поярче. Нас было много, мы были на барже большой, и когда мы хлопали, они разгорались ярче и немножко, ну как бы слетали с деревьев, даже к нам прилетали. То есть нам гид сказал в прошлый раз, что надо хлопать.
Nangitabag pakpak.
Wow, nindota oy.
Water lily, guys, is
Naaraw na di ay.
water lily. Sabi oh.
Andiyan iwan.
Ay.
Wow.
The water lily, guys, are blooming because it's nighttime.